Dad, I'm going to replace the social distancing tape, if that's a thing. Look, Dad, Joe's replacing tape on the tin can range. Maybe he'll let me help him. So, no, Joe's answer was no. It's a one-person job. Go do your own range. Okay, he didn't say it like that. But I'm going to go do a different range. Look, Dad, I'm going to do 100-yard tin can instead. The 50-yard one was just soaking wet. It's not going to work. So let's do this one instead. Hey, there we go. Oops. Look, Dad, I want to finish my cooking video. We've got these sucker trucks doing something with the sewage. I don't know. They're taking freaking forever. Maybe I'll go get a beer. What do you think, Bigfoot? Go get a beer. I'm gonna go get a beer. I'll be right back. Maybe they'll be done by then. Jiminy Christmas, they're loud. Hey, look, I got back and they're done. Let's finish this. Hi there. I'm Cast Iron Katie. Look, Dad, it's Tuesday. So look, Dad, look at how ridiculous this corner is. People just lose pieces of their car right there. It grows every day. Look, Dad, I went into town all by myself. Love that so much. Look, I got to turn the air up as hot as I wanted. Oh, my feet are almost warm now. Look, Dad, I got 3 pairs of socks at Bed Bath & Beyond for no reason other than they were on sale. I can't stop squishing them. They're so fluffy.
Wow. It just doesn't stop, does it?
Jiminy Christmas. These are big steps.
Yeah, they are.
Are they designed for the elephant seals or to stop them?
Look, Dad, we went to the ocean today.
Oh no!
Ah! My feet straight dry.
Ooh, that's coming close.
Yeah, it is.
Go in the water.
You're gonna save me if I get swept out.
Little bird perched up there.
Ooh, there's a big piece. Nice. Oh, Jeff was here. Look, Dad, it's Pigeon Point Lighthouse. Joe. Ooh, look at those. Those are huge. Is this... Are these whale bones?
The old drain pipe.
Oh, yeah.
To flush your shit right into the ocean.
That's pretty gross, man.
You're all right.
You're alright.
Alright.
The pickles are birds.
That one must be good. He's been out for a while.
Oh, look, Dad. We're bothering the seals. They're not liking it. Dad, we got Sam's Chowder House takeout. Salmon burger.